In this video, we are looking at this amazing project by the sea in Texas, United States. This beautiful house is built using 4 shipping containers stacked 2 stories high to create this amazing, conventional, modern-looking shipping container guest house. This is a view of the living space showing a nice compact lounge area well lit by adequate daylighting and also artificial lighting mounted above the ceiling. It's another view of the living space showing the dining that can comfortably sit 6 in the foreground. This is one of the bedrooms, very nicely appointed with industrial finishes throughout and given some nice modern touch. I like the floor finish and the minimalist furnishing. It's another bedroom, beautifully done, nice timber work, nice exposed corrugated ceiling and walling that has been crisply done. Another bedroom, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's another bedroom with 4 bunk beds for more sleeping space. This is a view of the bathroom, beautifully done, very good workmanship. I like the bench tops and the enclosed glass shower cubicle, very nice. It's another view of the same bathroom. This is a view of the kitchen, well done. I like the full height kitchen backsplash walling. I like the choice of the colors for the tile. The stainless steel appliances, the countertops, the breakfast counter that can sit 4, it can also double up as a working counter, the pendant lighting above the worktop on the kitchen island for task lighting. Is a view of one of the bathrooms. Notice the choice of colors for the wall tile. It brings a lot of character to this bathroom space. View of the bedroom, a close-up view showing the bedside cabinets and the bedside lamp. A closer view of the bunk beds. Wow, I love this outdoor space. This beautiful rooftop terrace accessed from the first floor level is just amazing, and it gives you amazing views of the neighborhood and the ocean front nearby. And another view of the rooftop terrace and the general view of the neighborhood. This is the frontal view of this amazing house. I like the choice of the bold red color on the containers juxtaposed against the white infill with amazing workmanship and good quality work through and through. Another view of the same. It's a beautiful shaded area that can fit a carport. Closer view of the rear of the building. You can see there's a small pool area and this tough grass landscaping. Laundry space with the stacked washer and dryer and enough storage cabinets. What do you like about this amazing container home? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. This house is listed as a guest house on Airbnb Feel free to check it out using the links in the description below. We love everything about this amazing house. Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and by doing so you will let YouTube recommend it to more viewers to help our channel grow. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.